This came from an actual Scholastic Aptitude Test. So I'm going to go on ahead and write SAT up here. It's just one question. We're going to do this quickly. Okay, handedness. A preferential use of either the right or left hand typically is easy to observe in humans. Because this trait is present, but less blank in many other animals, animal behavior researchers often employ tasks specially designed to reveal individual animals' preferences for a certain hand or paw. So we already know what this is about, which hand you prefer to use or which hand you're more inclined to use, and with animals it's a paw. So it's preferential use, that was said here, left or right hand, is easy to observe. So it's easy to observe in humans. Now, are we going to do a contrast here? They have the word because. And because is one of those words that is going to explain what is happening. So because this trait is present, but less something that says noticeable in many other animals, animal behavior researchers often employ tasks specially designed to reveal individual animals' preferences for a certain hand or paw. Okay, you can take out this word. It doesn't mean anything. It has really no significance because it doesn't matter if they're in. Okay, so we've already discussed what handedness is. And handedness is general nomenclature, but to be very honest with you, it also means like claws, paws, nails, toes for animals. So, you know how I keep saying don't assume, but you have animal behavior researchers. In this case, you don't even have to assume. Handedness is general. It's a general term. And so here's what we're doing, preferential use of either the right or left. So they're trying to say, does like an ape, does it move on with the left hand first or the right hand? And so what they're saying about that is maybe it does, but it's easier to observe in humans. Because this trait is present, but less prevalent, noticeable in many other animals, animal behavior researchers often employ tasks specially designed to reveal. So we want to look at a way to reveal animals' preferences for a certain hand or paw. So basically, which one they use the most, which one they're more favored to. We are usually either right-handed people, left-handed people. Very few of us are ambidextrous, but we choose usually one over the other. And they're trying to say, how do we use tasks to see if that's noticeable for animals? Okay, do we want to say, but it's less important in many other animals? Well, if we said it was less important, we'd basically be saying that it's not important that animals choose which one they use preferentially, and that may not be true. Okay, just like when you look at an owl, it picks up a rat or something, or hamster, it picks up one talon goes out more than the other, and its wings hold them back. If you watch the Discovery Channel, you'll see they do have a preference. So let's look at which one of these words. So this is recognizable, able to see or able to notice. Remember I used the word noticeable? Because present, it is present, but less noticeable in many other animals. We want an adjective there. So that's one. Intriguing in this case is an adjective too, but is it less interesting? No, not to animal behavior researchers, and this is it. This is why they get animal behavior researchers. So we're putting all of this together. So it's not less intriguing, and this here is a distractor, because if you don't choose the right answer, this is easily the one you're going to use because of how it sounds. Intriguing, interesting, able to know, but they don't want something that's captivating only. They want to go up another level. They want to see, or maybe it's they want to go down another level. They want to see, is it able to notice? Can you notice it to go down? So is it significant? It's less important. See, that's the word I used. So significant is out to make a clear distinction. They need to see what a clear distinction is. They need to see what these animals have a preference to do. And again, that's not necessarily people like you and I, but that's animal behavior researchers. So that's who you're looking at. Okay, useful? Come on, it's useful to have handedness. It's how someone walks. If you ever notice, if you have animals, they may lead out with their right hand first, the right paw, excuse me, or their left paw. It's what they're able to notice and what they're able to use. So it's not less useful than many other animals. It's not that it's not useful that they have handedness. It's how you can recognize it. And this is from a real SAT, and the answer is A. And if you go back and play this tape, you'll look at it. Okay, we're right under 6 minutes. If you have any questions, jacobslearning@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.